wow, look at this. This is pretty. Kind of looks like the Grand Canyon in a way. Very beautiful. Elevation 6,000 feet. As far as I know, this road goes around to Flagstaff, Arizona, where the north rim of the canyon is. So that's where I'm going. That'll get me closer south to the 40, which is what I'm taking back east. So yeah, very beautiful. I'll pull over and take some pictures. I'm pretty sure this road takes me down to the canyon floor, or valley floor, whatever you want to call it. Yep, we're definitely going down. Like prairies down here. It's a long ways down yet though. See that farm down there? Just gonna wind around on these switchbacks, I guess. Spots where they cut it through the rock. Definitely beautiful country out here, I will say that. But I'm heading into New Mexico here probably tonight or tomorrow morning, and that's very beautiful too, so lots more video to take. Check this out. Now, how cool is that? Them rocks are like balancing on the dirt that hasn't washed completely away underneath of them yet. There's no way people picked them up and stuck them up there like that, I'm sure. Even back there's a small one. Big rocks come down from the cliff up there. Huh. That's neat. Beautiful country too. Wow, I'm going across the Colorado River. Goes into the Grand Canyon. Neat. Wow, big temperature change from the Grand Canyon to here. I would say probably 20-degree difference, but I had to stop and take a picture of this, or some pictures, and get it on video for you. The bridge across the Colorado River. Wow, it's even got its own elevator. That is neat. Let's go over here and see if we can't get a better view. Wow, there's people rafting down there. What the heck? It's too cold for that. Wow. I'm gonna raft through the Grand Canyon in the end of November. Woo! I hope they don't hit no rapids and get wet. Wow. Cool. Cool. Pretty amazing how they built it on a rock like that. What if the rock deteriorates more? The bridge goes down. Well, I think the storm is gonna hit me. I've been fighting the wind for about the last 10 miles. Pretty strong. And and the sun was shining. Seen some odd looking clouds at first. Kind of like, just a minute here, when we get past this building here, and I'll show you this cloud off to the left. Seen that cloud like that, and then all of a sudden now it's spitting rain, snow mix. And if you look at the clouds off in the distance, even over here, they're low, they're dark, and they're coming this way. So, yep, we're definitely driving through the storm today. Boy, that rain X works pretty good. Don't even have to turn your wipers on yet. I just seen a sign says I've got 37 miles to Interstate 40 and 40 miles to Flagstaff. I mean, I'm hoping there's gas stations right by the freeway so I can fill up. I've still got almost a half a tank, but I would like to fill up gas before I hop on the freeway and start heading east. I don't know how far I'm going to make it tonight. I'm hoping to make it to New Mexico and see Valles Caldera and White Sands, New Mexico, and then head home. Probably be home Wednesday or Thursday, I'm guessing. So today's Sunday. So yeah, I'm guessing Wednesday or Thursday I should be able to make it home. And then have a couple days to unpack the Jeep, kick back, relax, get back on schedule to go back to work on Sunday night. I don't think there's active volcanoes in Arizona, but that sure looks like it. I'm guessing it's just the wind blowing snow, or I don't know. The wind is pretty strong. I mean, it's pushing me all over the road, but that's just, I don't know if that's not focusing because of the window. Turn the wipers on here. I mean, I don't imagine that's an active volcano. Not that I know of, anyway. Yeah, it's just not wanting to focus. Wait till we get a little. I don't imagine there's an active volcano in Arizona, but the way that's blowing off there, snow or something, I don't know. It don't look white on top. But the way the sun's hitting it, what little sun there is, it sure does make it look like it's a smoking volcano. Oh, I'll have to get a little closer look when I get up here. Gosh, I don't know. The closer I get, the more it looks like it's just emanating from that top. Whether it's a volcano or smoke or steam. Strange. The closer I get, though, the more it looks like it's coming from that instead of blowing over top of it. The closer I get, it just looks like it's the clouds blowing off the top of the mountain. But boy, from a distance back there, it sure did look like a volcano. Now it doesn't. Now it just looks like the clouds going over the top of it. There we go, there's a better look. I'm up close. It's just the low clouds blowing over top that mountain. Pretty wild in the way the sun was hitting it.